Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to create a document type in your consultancy system setup, a simple way to organize the paperwork your consultancy generates, so everything stays sorted and easy to find. Let's get started. First, navigate to Consultancy in the menu bar and click on it to access the consultancy section of the ERP system. Next, click System Setup to reach the configuration options for the consultancy module. This opens the system setup for consultancy and shows all the sections you can configure. Today, we'll be working with document types. From here, click through to the page where you'll create your document type. In the form that opens, enter the name of your document type in the field provided. Once that's done, click Create to save it to the system. And there it is. Your new document type now appears on the Document Types page. And that's a wrap on document types. You've just learned how to create a document type within your consultancy system setup. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your consultancy management system.